Hello everyone! The Sirius jet, developed by Swiss startup Sirius Aviation, is poised to revolutionize air travel with its groundbreaking design. This aircraft stands out as the world's first hydrogen-powered vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, marking a significant step towards sustainable aviation. Unlike traditional airplanes that rely on fossil fuels, the Sirius jet utilizes hydrogen fuel cells for propulsion. This innovative technology allows the aircraft to operate with zero emissions, producing only water vapor as exhaust. This not only minimizes the environmental impact of air travel, but also promises a quieter and more sustainable future for the aviation industry. The VTOL capability of the Sirius jet further enhances its appeal. This feature allows the aircraft to take off and land vertically, eliminating the need for long runways. This significantly expands the range of potential landing sites, enabling the construction of smaller airports closer to city centers or even integrating them into existing infrastructure. This increased accessibility promises to make air travel more convenient and efficient for both passengers and businesses. Despite its eco-friendly credentials, the Sirius jet does not compromise on performance. It boasts an impressive flight range of up to 1,150 miles and a cruise speed of 323 miles per hour, ensuring rapid and efficient travel. The aircraft can also reach altitudes of up to 30,000 feet, enabling it to navigate various weather conditions and terrains. Sirius Aviation plans to launch two versions of the Sirius jet in 2025, catering to different market segments. The Sirius business jet is designed for private jet travel, offering a luxurious and efficient travel experience for discerning individuals and businesses. The Sirius Millennium jet, on the other hand, is tailored for regional commercial use, accommodating up to 5 passengers and providing a sustainable transportation solution for both leisure and business travelers. The Sirius jet represents a significant advancement in sustainable aviation technology. Its combination of zero-emission propulsion, VTOL capability, and impressive performance characteristics makes it a compelling option for both private and commercial air travel. As the world increasingly seeks eco-friendly solutions, the Sirius jet is poised to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of aviation, making air travel cleaner, quieter, and more accessible than ever before. That's all for now. See you in next video. Goodbye.